Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Just finished eating, belly full. Can't even see. Watch him. Look at him. Watch him. Get down. Get down. Such a freaking kid. So let me tell you something. Something funny happened the other day. I was talking to Kimani on the phone. Watch him running go up there. I'm just saying come down. She said, no, listen. Kimani, what did I just show you? Get down. Listen, he come over here. We're waiting for the Uber. Oh, a nice car. He look at me like. Anyways, I was like Kimani, cause he moved away from the phone. I was like Kimani, and he come back. He's like, what? I was like, oh, who are you talking to? Who is you talking to, little boy? Like the teenager in him is activated. Cause what? Listen, I only laugh because that was the first time ever, and I ain't gonna say you're not gonna say it again, boy. I'm gonna just let him know it's not gonna be a continuation all the time. You're not gonna be answering nobody no what. I ain't what, or should I say, I ain't American, so that not gonna work with me. Yeah, but what? But we belly full, right, Kimani?
Yes.
You belly full?
Yes.
All the way down. Me know I hear it. Pause it, cause you don't listen. Look at his face. Aww, my Pookie. You wanna give me this side face? I love you.
I love you.
But yeah, so Kimani say, so we belly full.
Yes.
No, no. So we belly full.
Belly full.
No, you're not saying we. We belly full.
Where my food?
No. So we belly full.
Belly full.
No, you're not saying we. Are you leaving out we? Come on. Come now. We belly full.
Belly full.
We belly full.
Yes.
He like, leave me alone. Come. Look at me. We belly full.
Rub your belly.
Not rub your belly. Come. Say we belly full.
Thank you.
You're like, leave me alone. He said, thank you. Do you want to come now? One more time. Come on. We
belly food.
see, you were saying it. Well, you're still saying food instead of full. Well, I'm gonna leave you alone. Watch him. Such a boy. Wait there. They have stuff right here. Why you don't sit? Come, let's go sit over here. Come. Wait for the cab. Hurry up. Sit right here in the sun. Get some vitamin D. That's so good. Can't even see you. Oh, there you go. This is what I got from Walmart. Didn't buy much. I saw this, so I'm gonna try it. It smells good, so yeah. And I put my steak and my salmon in the fridge. This whole time I wasn't recording. Oh my gosh. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie K. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Today is October 16, Sunday. I have to go to the gym. I have to go get some exercise outfit, well, the leggings, because I don't really have much. So I need to go get some. I want to go to King's Plaza. It's 10 o'clock. I could go to Primark and probably get some from Primark. And then tomorrow's my mommy's birthday. See, Sunday. Tomorrow's my mom's birthday, and it's gonna be the second year of her not being here. I'm gonna go see if I could. I was trying to see if I could get some type of pendant, like with her picture, like a round pendant with a picture in there. I'm trying to order online, but honestly, I didn't trust them online. I didn't trust them online because I don't know, like these scammers. I see them on Instagram, but I'm like, I don't know, I don't trust them because I see some people saying that they didn't get what they ordered yet, and on whatever. And, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go to a place and order it. Then, well, I don't think I'm gonna get it about tomorrow though. I should have did that in the week. I should have did that last week, but I was contemplating what to do. It's frustrating. You see, last year I was trying to get a tattoo, and yeah, I think I'm not gonna get no tattoo. I think I'm just get a pendant. I don't know. I'm gonna go outside. It's nice outside, and then I gotta clean my room because my room look a hot mess. Like I clean it during the week, but then listen, you know, you're a girl, you know. I have like 7 packages I need to open up. I ordered so many stuff from Walmart, and I have a Victoria's Secret package to open up too. Do a little unboxing. Yeah. I wanted to go somewhere else too. I wanted to go to Lemongrass Grill. I wanted to go to Lemongrass Grill because that's where I took my mom for her birthday, her last birthday that she was here for, and that's where I took her. So I don't even know if I should go there either, to be honest. I don't know. I'll probably stay home. I do want to go get the pendant though. The pendant though. Like that's what I want for sure. I need it. I just gotta decide what picture to put in there. So I'm gonna get up and make some breakfast. I need some toast with avocado and eggs. But I'm check out the yolk. Yeah. It's egg whites, I guess. But yeah. Alright. See y'all in a few. I'm in here cleaning. Just made my bed. It is 1:43, so I should finish about 2 and go shower and then go outside. It's very nice outside. You can see the sun is very nice. So I'm gonna try to do that. Still gonna try to make it to King's Plaza. I'm gonna try my best. I know, just know my eyebrow needs to be done real bad. Real bad. But yeah, I'm gonna get that done. It's 4 o'clock and I'm just now going to King's Plaza. Yeah. And tea, some water. But I'm trying to figure out if I should go downtown Brooklyn or I should go to King's Plaza. But King's Plaza goes at 7. I don't know. But downtown Brooklyn is closer. This train is local. C train. I think I'm just gonna go to King's Plaza. I'm just gonna get it over with. Look at the tree. Fall season is here. There's dollar vans over there from off Flatbush. I just came off the freaking bus and I'm sleepy as hell because the bus took forever. I thought it was a limited bus, but it wasn't. And then, oh look at that! I was just looking online on Michael Kors just now. See, they have a bag on sale. I'm about to go look in there see if I want it for myself. It's like a crossbody bag. It's on sale for $80. I'm gonna go see in there. Charlotte. Let me see if they have. I'm going to Charlotte room. got $10 shirts. It's graphic. It's like a Leo and stuff. Oh, look what they got it. Right here. So $10.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch say bad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. I still I can't set no cheat.
Big.
Medium tongue and dairy.
Big for medium. Oh, your shirt. You all got one already.
$15 for that size. $10. Buy one. Oh, buy one get one for $10. Oh, I thought it was $10. Oh, so all these is buy one get one for 10. Know just what you're doing now. Baby, now we can close. Let's close. Let's close.
Oh, you come here and drop your phone and sell it, right? I like that. I didn't know they do that here. Last time I came here, I didn't remember seeing it. But I'm gonna go in Michael Kors real quick and see what they have. Cover my shirt from last time. Foot Locker, Burlington. Alright, we go to Michael Kors. See what they have. I know they have stuff on sale. Like a bag like that. We'll go in there. I don't think I could record, but let me go. Hi. Michael Kors didn't have nothing I want. I'm guessing they only have it online. The sale is only online.
I thought it's online and I'm like, I have to come here and see if they have it. The same price, $70. But I don't know what size. I'm getting these, but I really don't have no pair of sneakers. None. Like to wear. I don't want no black. I don't get black, but I don't want black.
Hi. Let's see what they have. Even though I just bought from them. Tea. Where's $10 tea at? Probably not that. This small is so big. You know they cut big.
Nah, I don't want no black. I just get the green one.
Oh yes, I'm getting a picture of my mommy. That's her birthday.
Number over there.
Yeah. Alright, thank you. Yeah, thank you. Alright, I'm gonna go upstairs. Yeah, I have to buy something from that same person I went to first. He told me 120. And I came back down here and they made the guy walking back up there. I'm like, I just came from up this way. And I knew it was him. He gonna tell me 120. I knew it was him. Well, anyways, it was 100. Okay, $100. That's not bad. I was trying to figure out if I want to put a picture by herself, or a picture with me and her, or a picture with she and Kimani. I was confused. I've been thinking about this for like 2 months ago, and I was like, you know what? Let me just go to King's Plaza. That's why I'm like, I have to come to King's Plaza today. Her birthday's tomorrow, so I just had to. do it. Even though I was ready to turn back because the bus, when I came off the train, I was waiting for the bus for like 15 minutes. And I was getting sleepy. I was like, oh my gosh, this damn bus. As soon as I was about to turn around, I see the bus coming. Because I checked the schedule and it kept saying 7 minutes. And then I'm like, it's been past 7 minutes. I need to go to Primark. I think that's downstairs. I need to pee. That's what I need to do first. Where's the bathroom? Oh, I just passed Macy's. I know the bathroom is around there somewhere, I think. This damn place is so big, I can't even figure out where stuff at. I knew I could have depended on King's Plaza though to get something like that. I just kept going back and forth with the picture, which picture to choose. Five Below. I'm in Five Below. I can't even go to let me see if they have what I want real quick. Sorry. I don't have what I'm looking for. I'm gonna go to Primark. I wanted to get something to eat, but it's like I'm gonna have to wait because I have like 20 minutes. I have 20 minutes to go to Primark and then go to go back to get my stuff. Let me get out of here. I'm trying to see. I need a new jacket. This jacket is the zipper is acting up, so I feel like I need to get a new jacket. Where I came from? I should get a Primark is on that way. I should get a pretzel. I think they're closed though. Yeah, about to close. My phone. Oh, it better be my bag. I'm like, where the hell is my phone at? I'm gonna go to Primark real quick, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to go in there. I might have to come back. So the mall is closing in 15 minutes. Oh, they got Popeyes in here. Oh. Piece of chicken. This is special right there. And a biscuit. Oh. Damn. I don't think I'm gonna be able to go in Primark. Should I get Popeyes? I mean, I was eating good today. I had my toast and I had a green juice. I didn't get to go to the gym. I'm gonna get to the gym. $6 though, that's not bad. 3 pieces of chicken for $6. I'm hungry. And I got a salad too, so I need a salad when I go home. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna come back. See if the man call me. Oh damn, that was quick. Okay, coming. Oh, he texted me down. This is taking forever too. See, it's a sign to go on and eat your food. It's taking forever. Man, it's taking forever. Damn it, okay, I'm not gonna get my picture. He said the picture already, so I gotta go back downstairs. Can't even get food if I wanted it anyway. I'll have to go in Primark another day. Leah and Biggie. That's dope. Thank you.
It's going to be 108.87.
Okay. And how much is these?
$60.
Oh, okay. That's not bad. I'm about to go see if we'll try to get that Popeyes. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go home and cook my salmon. The rolling cow. The ice cream stuff. Let's see. Oh, these are the flavors they got. Ooh, that looks good. It's like $8. That's nice. I didn't know they had this here. bigger one. Can't really see it with a cup. I want to try this. I'm gonna try that one. That was nice. Alright, how much is this? How much is it? $8? Yeah, what is it? Yeah, I want to try this. That was nice. This one I'm gonna try. Oh, look, too sweet. Too sweet. Tried, right? Yeah. Oh, so good. This thing tastes so freaking good. It don't even taste that sweet. The strawberry. So good. So what time the bus coming? We're coming in 2 minutes. Oh no. That was so good. That thing tastes like vegan ice cream. That was not really sweet as I thought it was gonna be. But I'm gonna go home. Instead of bus 46 right here. So just come home and finish cooking some salmon and mango sauce. And I have rice already. And let's put some cauliflower. So much and nothing. Come back here and fix it because he brightened the picture and it looked too dark. So, and my mother's already dark skinned, so when he did that, it's like I can't really see her face. And I knew that was what he did because the picture looked brightened. So I had to come back. I just came from work and I had to come straight here because they closed at 9. And I need a different chain and I just had to engrave it. I forgot all about the engraving it. I need a different chain because it's too long. I want it to be like right on my chest. I come back at King's Plaza because the picture that I did yesterday didn't come out how I wanted it to. It came out really dark, so I had to change the picture. Because the one that he brightened a little bit, it looked a little bit darker than the original one. So I just ended up changing the picture. I was just over there yesterday and I don't even see these people right here. I could have got one of these instead. Nah, the chain is better, but I wish I didn't have to get any, but you know, they're nice. I'll come back another time. I'm about to leave King's Plaza now. Hungry and tired. Oh, I'm gonna Primark real quick and see what they have. Cause I didn't get to come in here yesterday. It's big. Big ass store. Oh, what's this about? It's not good in here though. Done for the day. My bus right there, but I didn't pull up yet. I'll stay right here until they come. Today is October 18th, and I'm on break. I brought a salad. Like I made a salad from home, but honestly, that naga, I thought the one naga hold me. So me just like, so me say, me feel for some Chick-fil-A. First time trying the grilled chicken sandwich. Hopefully it tastes good. We get some fries with it too, because why not? I'm hungry. I'm still gonna eat the salad. Well, we couldn't just eat the salad alone. It's apples, cucumber, lettuce. I got my dressing. So, ooh, it's wheat. I didn't know it was wheat bun. Oh, it's even better. Look at that. I don't feel like I'm cheating no more. I never know saw wheat bun and give it with. That nice. See? It's not cheating. Okay. It's like, I don't know what a bread called. Let's see. Yes. Listen, Polynesian is the best sauce, okay? Make we see what chicken I deal with. Make we see. Oh my god. Oh. What did I like within the sauce? Okay. The bread is very soft. I love it. Okay. I don't know why I keep buying the chicken like that, the sandwiches like that. Oh my god. This is life. Oh goodness. Apple and salad give it a good taste. I got a lot of salad. I could have eaten this. I was just being greedy. Nah, man, I was really hungry. I'm like, damn. Oh my god. Since I started juicing, I started eating stuff that I never liked, like string beans, asparagus. But now I'm starting to love asparagus. I never liked tomato, and I'm eating tomatoes too. One thing about these bread though, they won't break. This happened to me last time. I haven't had Chick-fil-A in months. Where's my Chick-fil-A? It was definitely before my birthday. Yeah. This sandwich is good though. With the bread. So soft and moist, keep breaking. Oh my god. Yeah. So good. Cucumber is one of my favorites. I love cucumbers. Alright, let me do my apple before they spoil. And you know what I'm gonna start doing? I'm gonna start buying food that I want. Instead of buying material stuff. Because material stuff is just, I mean, you enjoy it, yeah, but you don't enjoy it as much as you enjoy food. Morning. So today is Wednesday, and the way alternative call like yesterday. Alternative call like yesterday. I may have on this, but because it was at 45 degrees. Yesterday was like 60 in the 60s. I know it was colder than yesterday. Was colder than today. So after I come out here with this jacket on, the puffer. But as you see, it's sunny and it's barely cold. But who knows? I mean, it's cold right now, right here. Because I mean, I guess, you know what? Once I'm not in the shade, it's cold. I mean, once I'm not in the sun, I just feel overdressed. But I'm not care, because once we go to Manhattan, once we reach Manhattan, it always colder than New York. I mean, colder than Brooklyn. So 2 more days. 2 more days and the week is over. Oh yeah, I'm about to get on this train. I gotta buy a Metro card. Another week for Metro card. Other one expired yesterday. Back at it again with the salad. Right through. Nice good up salad. Gosh. This is the last time they didn't give me more avocado and more chicken though. Let's see how they look last time. Somebody, see what they ain't cheap with it. Everything. Whatever says salad there. Can't make more salad now. Because I mean lazy last night. No one made nothing. I got a smoothie too. But yeah, I'm just making my own food. So this salad been full up last time, and then look what they do me. They didn't do me good this time, man. Alright, oh yeah, I gotta pay some bills. I got bills to pay. So this smoothie is pineapple, like a lot of pineapple, banana, water, and green grapes. That's the only fruits I had. It's so good. So refreshing. I'm off work and it's cold as hell. Cold as shit. She wanna look at them. Go, she freezing her ass off. Oh please. What is this shit up close? Forget about everything after this morning. I work for a reason. I knew this was gonna happen. I don't know why I said that. So it is 6 o'clock in Manhattan. NYPD outside. The big yellow bus. Yankee. Oh damn.
What are you doing?
Yellow caption. Off the train, and I'm going to Dollar Tree because I haven't been to Dollar Tree since I got the oat milk, and one yesterday, and the other one I opened this morning. So I'm gonna see if they have any more oat milk, or just get some almond milk. But I'm proud of myself. I used to be in Dollar Tree every week, or at least 2 times a week. But listen, I just go to Dollar Tree when I feel like going to Dollar Tree. But I ain't been there in a while, so I'm doing good. So I'm going there right now. When did I don't know what date that was. I think it was the day I came from the gym. My hair needs to be washed badly. Well, not badly, but it needs to be washed. I was gonna wait till next week, but I think I'm gonna just go wash it this weekend. Yeah, because next weekend I'm gonna have to go see Kimani. I feel like my knees though. Listen, I don't know. That's how you know you're getting old. Your knees is acting up. Oh, don't you end up in there and add more things. Now the restaurant. See stuff like this. I want like white fudge covered pesto. That was a plain pesto. But let's see what they got in here. Oh, I'm not getting a trolley. If I get a trolley, that means I'm gonna get a lot of stuff. No. I'm not. Simple. You know what? I'm gonna hold it. Oh, I need this zesty Italian dressing for my salad. It's my favorite dressing to use for my salad. Something for the cupcakes. Cute. With fresh cupcakes in it. Oh, they got the. Oh, Kimani would love this. Oreo. Funfetti vanilla. I'm gonna hold this for him when he comes. I'm gonna take it just for him. I need one of these tons. I need a tons. This Dollar Tree don't have a lot of dishware like the one closer to my house. Okay, got the tissue. Oh, they still got the 4 rolls. Oh, they got the 4 rolls and they got the 6 rolls. So like, I have paper towel already. Oh, see, I'm gonna no, it's sweet. I don't want that. Oh, see, of course, we have them. See, they always have the sweet one out. So the shelf is empty. And look at, they never want to pack out them. I never could find them, but it's a good thing I just looked in the box just now. Because what am I adding for? I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy that. I think I'm gonna pick up. Who should we? I'm gonna pick up Tree. She should be good for now. Yeah. This section is always empty. I don't like soap. Listen, this soap makes you smell fresh 24 hours, man. This was one of the best soaps. Is this the aloe vera one? Soothing. It's always got you smelling fresh 24 hours, okay? I'm trying to make sure by this. See that, look. Now they want $3, $4, $5. I'm not getting no pizza, no. No, that ain't something here. Nope. That look good doing, not lie. This look good.